Hello LTER class, Jai Ranganathan here. In this screencast, I'll be talking about how to use the Google Plus community for this class. Okay, first things first, how do you get to the Google Plus community? So here we are in Google and I'm logged in. So if you go to the upper right to the grid, you'll see the list of options for Google, and one of them is going to be Google+. So I'm going to click on that. Of course, you can also type in plus.google.com. This is just one way to get there. So here I am at googleplus.com. There's tons of stuff here. So what I'm going to be looking for is the community for the LTER class. That's going to be kind of what our group is called. Here's how you get there. So in the left panel, left column, you'll see a bunch of options. The third one down from the top is something called communities. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so these are all the you'll see here all the communities I'm part of. And you can see I'm a part of quite a few. You're probably a part of less, but you'll see whatever communities you're part of here. Now, one of the communities you should be part of is the one in the upper left, 2017 LTER Communications class. And I will click on that now. Okay, so here is the community for the class. So if you notice here, there's kind of a lot of stuff going on, and it might seem kind of tricky, but it's actually very simple. So what you'll see here, so the way to make sense of all of this is the left-hand panel. So you'll see here is you'll see instructions, Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 4. So the key way to sort of make sense of the post is filtering. So let's say I just want to see the instructions for the class. I'll just click on instructions and you'll see there's the one. And of course all the posts right now are sort of just test posts, but soon enough they'll be actual posts. Let's see, I just want to see the what's going on for the first module's discussion. What's the conversations people are having, because I want to be part of that discussion. I want to add to that discussion. Well, I'll just click on Module 1 discussion, and there you go. So here's again another test post. So let's say, okay, that's fine. So let's say I want to add something. I want to add a post. Let's say I want to add a comment somewhere. Well, it's easy enough. So you'll see what do you want to share up top, and you can add any combination of text plus other stuff. So for example, I can write this is a test post again, and below there's a lot of ways you can add content, but the two most simple ways is a link, which is the second from the left. You see the chain, and here I'm going to add a link to a very good science blog post and some fried science. I'm going to add that link, hit OK, and there it goes. So, and I'm going to hit post. And when you hit post, you have to pick a category. So I'm going to pretend this is part of the Module 1. And there you have it. But you can also share other things as well. So let me put another post in. Yet another post. And you can also add images as well. So that's the camera icon in the lower left. And well, I have a picture of LTER because that's where we are. I'll put this again in Module 1 discussion. So I look at, again, so here's all the posts going on. So if I just click on just Module 1, I'll just see just what's going on for there. Okay, so next step is, okay, let's say you see a post, but you'd like to add comments to it. Because that's my big part of this class, is giving feedback to other people in the class. So let's do that. So the simplest way is, if you see a post, is in the lower right you'll see the text icon, lower left, lower right you'll see the text icon. So I click on that. I can add a comment here. Here is a comment. And again, as before, even with the comment, you can add a picture or a link to it. So I'm going to add a link to, well, this phishing site. And I'll post it. So there you are. So you'll see here, and you can see here now by the text icon, by the comments icon, there's a little 1 by it showing that there's one comment to it. So there you go. That's the quick introduction on how to use Google Plus for this class.